All right, good morning. Another day, another week. This time is another Thursday on the Adrihosan podcast. Today, as every week, in video format. You can watch it on our YouTube channel or listen to it on Spotify or iVoox. All right, today in the program, we're going to be switching between this screen and the computer screen to see pretty much everything we have here. We've got quite a lot going on with samples. Today we wanted to talk about what porcelain slabs are, the large format porcelain slab or sintered mass, as other suppliers call it. And we're going to focus on two. One would be the one manufactured by Arklam, and the other one by 𝐓𝐢𝐦𝐞𝐥𝐢𝐬𝐧𝐞. Alright, as you can see here, we have, this is Arklam's range on the computer, 12 millimeters for kitchen countertops. A pretty interesting range. Then we have the standard range, which they call, well, there's the silk range, then there's Copenhagen, the marbled ones, more marbled ones, some pure white colors. Alright, and these formats come in, as you can see there, 1 meter by 3, 1.5 by 260, and then they can cut the slabs to 750 or 150 by 150 or 100 by 100. This would be one of the manufacturers. Alright, we'll go into more detail to see more products that we'll see there through the website. Let's wrap this up a bit. Here we have the other manufacturer we wanted to show you, which is Techlam. Okay, this is the kitchen one, a Calacata Gold in 12 millimeters as well. We have another beautiful Calacata here, which is the Carlos Bianco. Okay, and until now I've been showing you the 12 millimeters ones. Now I will show you smaller ones. You see a little white one. These look super nice in kitchens, the minimalist kitchens, all white and such. They are spectacular. Well, regarding the Techlam range, we have all this here. Here we have small pieces. If you notice, okay, the Techlam range starts at 3 millimeters. Okay, this is a sample. The actual piece is this big, 3 by 1. Okay. We have 5 millimeters in all the finishes, 5 millimeters, and then around here we had 1. Let's look for it at the back. Here, the reinforcement. Alright, this comes in 3 millimeters, 3 millimeters with reinforcement, 5 millimeters, 5 millimeters with reinforcement, and then we have it in a 3 by 1 format. And then on our website you can get it in 1.5 by 1 meter, 1.5 by 1 meter, 1 by 1 meter, or 1 by 50 centimeters. Alright, this product looks nice, but basically what is it used for? Alright, as I was saying, I'm going to show you a little bit on our website how we have it organized. We have everything related to Techlam ambient lamp in the Project Plus section. These are more specific projects, such as materials of a higher quality. Here we have a simple clamp, hydraulic wash, star lamp, the sun, and custom surfaces. Now very soon we'll also have crayon. This is something I'm going to show you. Well, we looked at it yesterday and it's still not finalized. Anyway, as I was saying, Techlam, the new porcelain solution, as I mentioned, is a porcelain flooring. And the good thing we have is that we have a lot. You see here many manufacturing examples. As I was saying, you can barely see the 3-1 tile, so the edges are very subtle. It will give us a great sense of space, for a feeling of largeness. It's not only used in bathrooms. Here it's used in all bathrooms, even in the shower tray, but we can also use it on walls of bedrooms, facades, dining rooms, as we mentioned for kitchen countertops. Well, this is not one of the best photos for a kitchen countertop, because a kitchen countertop wouldn't look as good. It would look much more seamless. Here you can see all the walls with a keyboard. This is the series. It's an industrial series based on corten steel, on stones, all very natural and for industrial styles. As I was saying, formats of 3 by 1, 1.5 meters by 1, 1 meter by 1, 1 meter by half a meter, 30 by 50, 50 by 50. And as I mentioned before, 3 millimeters, 3 plus, 3 plus, 3, I mean 3 with reinforcement, 3 plus 3, 5. We always advise using the 5 millimeters, but anyway, if you call us and tell us the type of project you have, we will recommend the best material to use. See this range, which is the industrial range. It has all this chromatic range of colors. Besides, there's one more. There is a new style that is not here yet. Then we would move on to the wood collection. In the wood collection, in this case, it is 3 by 1, but it is only cut. It made no sense to make a square wood because it would look horrible. In 100 by 20, that is 1 meter by 20 centimeters, and in 3 meters by 20 centimeters. Alright, 𝐓𝐢𝐦𝐞𝐥𝐢𝐧𝐞 have all these types of wood here. They look fantastic. Then there are the marbles that look really nice. As you can see, they are made of stone. This is put on the floor. Another floor. We already talked about the offices. The whole bathroom is tiled. It would be a restaurant. We have a dining room that looks spectacular. All the walls of the house with wooden floors. Well, we have another beautiful product range that imitates marbles. This is digital technology, so it looks gorgeous. Keep in mind, even in this range, let me see if I can find a sample. We can say this one. We can even choose the sheets so they end up looking like this. It would come like this, then it would come with the V facing the other way. So it's a product that can be used to create really cool things. Okay? Then there's the Volcano series, which is a series that mimics cement, ash and rock, the Hydra line. This is the one I was telling you about that imitates hydraulic tiles. It's very pretty, okay? And the fabric-like one. Alright, and then there's the basic range with basic colors like browns, whites, ashes, and grays. And then we have the top collection, which is the collection for the one I showed you with 12 millimeters, meant for kitchen furniture, which always comes in a 3200 by 1600 format. This type of product requires more study. More thorough one, usually done by the stonemason themselves. Stonemasons have evolved and are now very good with porcelain. The advantage with Techlam is that all collections have multiple designs. For example, Blase has 2, Blase Grace has 2, and Kalos has the Marmorelite, which is whiter but looks very yellow, has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 designs. We could even continue them, right? And as you can see, it's a product of very high quality, very high economic value, but well, it can give us a lot of play, Here we have the catalog. Let's open it. Valentina. It's a bit like what we've seen before, but if you want to download it from our website, it's perfectly available. Here you can see a sheet. This is the steel quarter. This material is beautiful. Alright, as for advantages, for example, we're going to show you now. Let's see, I need to get out of here. We're going to Arklam. It might be a little bit more elaborate because we added some embellishments. But anyway, here you see a kitchen with this marble that is amazing. As we discussed, Arklam, for example, works in 6 and 12 millimeters, in 3 by 1 format, and in 2600 by 1500 format. Well, here you can see some pictures. This is the Pandora. It's amazing, super beautiful. In the Pompeii design, we have two styles. One with that kind of pattern, and another with a smooth finish. A kitchen with the Atlantis wall that looks gorgeous. Some Copenhagen cream colors, a very smooth series or something like that. This can make for a spectacular business. This is the one I mentioned we did in Atlantis. The kitchen, the floor, the walls, the stairs. This looks really cool, really cool. This work here, you can see the thickness. We're talking about 2.5 meters, 6 millimeters for ventilated panels, kitchens, dining rooms, even furniture. I had forgotten to mention it. Soon we will have furniture. Our Vica series, we are going to make it with porcelain on the front. Probably also, if we can close it by September, we will offer dining tables and low tables with porcelain, which you can buy exclusively through our online store under our exclusive section. You can even make bathtubs out of it. Alright, there's not much more I want to tell you about porcelain or large format sintered slabs. Just a reminder, this week we have a promotion for all our listeners. And for our YouTube, 𝐓𝐢𝐦𝐞𝐥𝐢𝐧𝐞 and Spotify viewers, as well as all our fans on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, we have a promotion, a 60 centimeter mirror with LED light and rubber switch on the mirror itself. With a 34% discount promotion. That's great. Take advantage of this opportunity because it will only be available until Monday, July 22nd. Using the code at checkout, ESP01, you will get that additional discount and you can take advantage of this promotion and only spend this week. Alright, so that's what we wanted to tell you. Remember to hit like on our YouTube channel, hit like on our Spotify channel, and don't forget to share and tell your friends to subscribe to our channel. It will help us a lot. Remember that any doubts you have in the polymedia, in the comments on any of the channels, you'll give me the contact and we'll respond as soon as possible.